Hello YouTube. Here we are again working on the goat. This time I'm filming with the GoPro. I hope it's better than the phone. I've set the windshield in. I haven't got it glued down, but I just set it in to measure everything off. Green tape you see around here is where I'm going to put the primer for the butyl cord. I think it's going to turn out. I'm going to come on up with the primer on this. It's going to give me a black line up here after I put a couple of coats on it. Kind of stop it from that old stuff. When stuff, dust and stuff gets down in there, it don't look so bad. I mean, I know I'll clean it out, but now those things look so bad. Anyway, it's a work in progress. Nothing to crow about yet. Now I've got to figure out how to get this old inspection sticker off. And the reason I want it off, I want to put it on the new windshield. My dad had that put on back in 1990. Last time he ever drove this car. So I'd like to get it off and put it on my windshield, if at all possible. If not, then it is what it is. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy these short videos. I'm going to do several of them. Just a little progression note is all. I had a couple little dings in that fender right there I got out. Everything's coming together slowly but surely. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I read all my comments and I do answer all the questions. Anyways, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoy your day.